Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving into an essential topic for anyone looking to optimize their PC performance, how to determine the number of CPU cores and threads that is also known as logical processors in Windows 10 PC. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator, or simply a tech enthusiast, understanding the core and thread count of your CPU is crucial for making informed decisions about your system's capabilities. Stick around as we guide you through the simple steps to uncover this vital information right from your Windows 10 machine. Let's get started. There are several methods to determine CPU cores and threads in Windows 10, and I will guide you one by one. So let me start without any delay. First one method is through System Information Panel. For that, click on this one Start button at the bottom of the screen and type here System Information and click on this one top results system information in the search results. In the system information window, all you need to select this one system summary in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find processor option. Just hover mouse over this one processor entry to find the cores and logical processors on your Windows 10 PC. Next one method is through Task Manager. For that, right click on the free space on the taskbar and select here Task Manager option. In the Task Manager window, you need to select this one Performance tab and here select CPU, and here you can also find processors and cores on Task Manager at the bottom of the screen. Next one method is through Windows PowerShell. For that, click on this one Start button. Type here PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one Windows PowerShell entry. Select here Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on the Yes button. In the PowerShell window, all you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description that says WMIC CPU get number of cores. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will display number of cores on your Windows 11 PC, Windows 10 PC. Similarly, to find out the number of logical processor, you need to issue the command WMIC CPU get number of logical processors. After this, press enter on the keyboard. This will list the number of logical processors that are available on your Windows 10 PC. Next one method is through command prompt, and for that also you need to issue the same command. For that, click on this one Start button and type here CMD. In the search results, right click on this one Command Prompt Entry. Select here Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one Yes button. In the elevated command prompt window, you need to issue the command WMIC CPU get number of logical processor. After that, press enter on the keyboard to display the number of logical processors on your Windows 10 PC. Similarly, to get the number of cores on your Windows 10 PC, you need to issue the command WMIC CPU get number of cores and then press enter on the keyboard. This will display number of cores on your Windows 10 PC. Apart from that, you can also use third-party freeware software like CPU-Z. All you need to navigate to this one CPU ID website and download the setup file of CPU-Z software. I will provide the link in this video description. After downloading, install it on your PC and then launch it on your PC and select this one CPU tab in the CPU Z software, and at the bottom of the screen you will see cores and threads available on your Windows 10 machine. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUp Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.